Bitcoin rejected by Japan. What? Do you want to know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max. With Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. We told you in previous videos that we might have a trap with Santas. It's not Santa Claus, it was the Grinch. And we had it. You can see how we went up. We told you in that video. But after we went all the way up, like an 8% to the line so close to 100k that we were in 99,877, well, then we drop like 5% as I'm recording this video, and we'll see if we stopped by 92,248, which is the lower point for Bitcoin in this time at this hour. So Bitcoin again still between $90,000 and 100k, and we want to know if we are gonna hold support at that point or we might go lower. Maybe you bought here, you took a screenshot there and started panic selling in this point. Well, don't do that, and do not trade with the money you can't lose. You are up 20%, there's a miracle, and you are 40% up, and then you do not take profits and you get liquidated. Be careful, new trader. Now what's gonna happen? Because in the gaps of the CME futures chart, you can see that we have one open, a good one, in around 99,695, but we have this bad one, this frozen one, in around 93,885. So we went so close to the point that you can say, well, we must close it right now and then keep on going higher. We'll see about that, because as I'm recording today, Bitcoin is so volatile. If you want to consider that we are going to go up again, well, we have some arguments for you. Like, for example, if we go all the way to that point, we might close also the gap, but take the line one more time. So another touch in the 100k, and then we can go lower. Or not. What do you think is going to happen? First down, then up, or first up and then down? Consider also with this chart that you can see how 101,000 was touched here on December the 26th, when Bitcoin haven't get to this point yet. So there's an argument that may be Bitcoin is going to rise. Also, we have this party in New York, Michael Saylor's party, and of course for New Year's Eve, he's gonna want Bitcoin in the 100k. Also remember that the last part of the year we usually go up in December if we are following 2016 and 20. So another good argument, even though you can see here some drops that are similar to the one we are having right now. Consider even that January, if we are following 2017 or 2021, well, those were a bad January, red one here in 2017, and not a very good one here in January 2021, even though we were in the bananas that we told you in previous videos. You have to watch them all. We'll see if you want to consider that we're going to go down. Of course, we have some arguments too for that. We have everything here. Remember to smash the like button. And of course, the idea is that we will be filling the gap that we have in 77,760. So maybe we're gonna do our homework now according to this point. Also, do you remember that we told you 2 times ago when we had the decision on the Fed, Bitcoin follow this path that it seems that we are following? If that's the case, well, $83,000 by December the 13th, and lower 80,601 for January the 9th. We'll see about it. Today, Japan is the main character in our show. You can see here stock market in Japan. It went up, also crypto, and when it closed, we were down. Why is that? What happened? Why are we recovering right now? Well, The prime minister in Japan is responsible, in my opinion. Japan rejected the strategic Bitcoin reserve proposal, citing volatility, lack of info, and legal concerns. I ask Grok if this is true, and it seems that it is true. I think that they have no clue whatsoever what they are doing. Just consider that Metaplanet emerged as the best performing stock in Japan year to date, up to 10x. So Japan as a government, as a country saying no, but then you have companies embracing Bitcoin doing very good. Russia saying also that they are using Bitcoin to evade sanctions. Is this true? Is this bullish? Is this bad? Well, some people believe this is false even. And the idea is that these pieces of information are out there in order to have bad opinion for Bitcoin and then attract sanctions against the use of Bitcoin. The bubbles are turning from red to the green. We'll see what happens today. And of course, you can only follow this market with Dextools.io. You have the link in the description below. Click right now and get to know that app. Ethereum just fighting for 3,500 again. We were able of surpassing that point. Now we are down. Just follow it. But what Bitcoin does. We are greedy. We are in the 74 right now, still in the market, and telling to ourselves in the mirror, you are not exit liquidity. Sure, you are not. We will go higher. I believe that, but this is not financial advice whatsoever. You can see that the ETFs keeps on being bought in United States, and here Kyle is telling us that if that's the case, maybe it's because they want prices to be lower, so they create these crisis and then they buy back again. So do not get fooled with that. Consider that Vivek Ramaswamy created at some point Stripe Asset Management, and now they filed for a Stripe Bitcoin Bond ETF with the SEC. So no conflict of interest, allegedly. I asked Grok because this guy is out of the company right now, but he's a co-founder. And I find very interesting that the co-founder now is going to be pushing from government so that Stripe has these ETFs, and so many other want their own ETFs for Bitcoin. Consider also that public company Cooler just rose over 312% since they announced Bitcoin Treasury Reserve on December the 4th. So you see in Japan and in the United States, if you embrace Bitcoin as a company, well, it's fine for you. You fly in the market like Elon Musk. Why is he posting this? Is he related to some crypto? Maybe so. Who knows? You have some homework today. It's related with taxes, and this is today crypto tax and legal CL crypto. Remember, you have this YouTube channel that you have to watch. And Jesus Lorente is alerting us about how Spain is gonna rise taxes in 2025. So again, watch the whole video and remember to take your screenshots in order to do your homework in Spain. You need coin tracking in order to do so. Link in the description below. You have a 10% discount, as you have a discount if you buy a ledger still with our link. So take advantage. Those discounts are going to fly. $70 with the Ledger Flex, and of course $40 and $30 with Ledger Nano X and S Plus. Do not miss that out. And if you don't like paying your taxes, well, maybe it's time for flying to Dubai. Gestoria Iberico is going to give you 2,500 euros if you create your company in Dubai before the 31st of December. So if you're gonna do that, use the link in the description below. You can have a meeting with them, and again, you're gonna have 2,500 euros and 2,000 euros more every 2 years. The best deal that you are going to find. And as you go to the end of the video, I have some very nice homework for you to do, and you practice English at the same time. You have the story of the Federal Reserve that you know already because you watch these videos. It's not federal and it's not a reserve. They have no reserves of anything. They just print money. So here we have the story, how it started and how 6 people on an island, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde Island, they decided that they were stronger than any government in the world. If you want to know the story, well, you have that there. We're going to have a sum up in Spanish if you want to watch today's videos there. And do not get sad like this cat, even though Bitcoin is going down. It is okay. Remember that you can just play outside, even in the winter. You can see this guy just enjoying ice. So there's no need for money or Bitcoin or anything whatsoever. Just have the time of your life playing outside with nature. And keep on learning about AI, of course, with our channel, Inteligencia Artificial. And also keep on learning about crypto, Bitcoin, etc. here on Rodrigo Arnido's Noticias Bitcoin, Crypto News, fun on the right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the